please. Oh, harder. Great. Welcome to a ZA1 commentary episode where I narrate and talk about our dirt bike ride.
Where are we? Ocala!
What if I talked like this the whole video? That would be really annoying. Now, it was pointed out to me that...
Oh my god.
We might be pronouncing Ocala wrong. Ocala. Ocula. Screw it. Whatever. We got it right. Florida, I don't think you're saying it right.
This is something, all right.
So this is it. The Ocala National Forest in Florida. We're riding.
Holy cow.
We've never been here, so it's like we unload, we get out here, and it's like, wow.
Oh man, you can't see diddly squat. This is not a good sleeves up kind of.
This is like riding in a tunnel.
It's spitting sap out of my teeth. It's a little thick.
Jeez.
Oh my.
What in the heck is this?
It keeps going. You know, I was thinking, all right, we'd get, it's maybe a few miles to get out there, but it just keeps going.
Holy cow, this is...
And it's like...
What the hell?
Man, are we going to be riding this all day? Oh, duck!
What the is this?
I have no idea, man. This
Oh
is
my god!
I hope
Okay,
you have long
sleeves are going back down.
Jeez!
Have you ever been surrounded by thousands of starving children while you hold a delicious steak in the air? And they're clawing and yanking at you? That's what it's like. The branches are grabbing you.
Wow, this is loose sand. Holy cow.
Hey!
I don't think we want to go this way.
Adam!
There's a track right here.
Adam's going the wrong direction.
Wait.
We sort it out, we get moving, the trail opens up.
Oh, this is good now. Whoa!
Oh, she's a gorgeous track. It's nice outside. The sand is kind of soft, a little dry, but it's like riding in a jungle. Oh, it's delicious. For the record, as usual, we have not looked at a map. We have just started riding. No idea where we are going. That's okay, because that's when it's most fun. When you run out of food and water and you break down and there's no cell service and you're stranded out here and you have to pull straws as to which person you eat first. That is when it gets fun.
We're like riding in the jungle. This is nice.
Adam's in the back, Tom is leading, and of course, when Tom is leading, he blows a corner.
Woo! Yeah, I think it goes that way. You got half a tree in there.
Well, like I was saying, all those trees are like hungry children. One of them was reaching out, got caught in Adam's tire. His arms wrapped up around there like a noodle on a haystack.
The heck? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
there we go. Let's go.
Woohoo! Whoa, baby, that was close. Oh, there's some roots.
Man, I am like, whoa, something bad is going on. I forgot how to ride.
Whoa!
There are more than just dirt bike trails out here. There's actually, I think it's mainly known for ATV and UTV trails. So we hop onto one, and I don't know where we're at. But we just start going. Adam is leading the way, and what a catch! He finds this trailhead to some more single track.
Yeah, dirt bike only. Dirt bike only, baby.
You just gotta get your paddle tire on. It's so sandy out here.
Jungle boogie.
Dirt bike is all about fun. Yes, it is. Dirt flag.
We start to get into the thick again. Tom has began to sing, everybody, so get your earplugs.
Whoa! Wow! Those are bigger.
Oh, single track. Go put some on your back.
Oh, he's getting grabbed, snagged.
Dang it, we're back to the brush. Oh, no, Brushy Mountain. Actually, the mountain part still gets me. Oh, right.
For the record, I just want to put this out there. We are not at Brushy Mountain. Tom thought we were. Brushy Mountain is located in North Carolina. We are down here in Florida.
Because it is flat. It's flat to be out here.
He can't figure out why it's called Brushy Mountain. Well, what are you thinking, Tom? Oh, take that.
You know what? I didn't come out here to get rammed, Zach. I don't want to be rammed in the back by Zach Attack.
Adam, the masterful tour guide, breaks out into the very beautiful National Forest of Ocala. Ocala. We are here in the open part of the Ocala National Forest.
Wow, there's some hey, hikes. There's some stumps you gotta watch for.
Now we know why it's called Brushy Mountain.
Oh my God, Tom, are you kidding me? This is not Brushy Mountain!
My fanny pack bouncing, everybody knows when you got the fanny pack bros. Oh, that is what we are, we're the fanny pack bros. You know, things get real when we start bouncing. Oh, we're going over the bumps, the humps and bumps, and we're getting that fanny pack bouncing.
Oh baby, how does my fanny pack look? Pretty good. Zach Attack coming with some fanny packs. Check it out. Wearing it on my back. Yeah. It'll protect your nutsack as you ride through the single track. It's Zach Attack.
Now I wonder where these other trails go.
Why don't we go down this farther, actually?
Yeah, wherever you want to go.
Holy crap!
We get into some big whoops.
Jeez! We almost rocket shipped.
Almost sent her to Mars. Awesome. It just, you know, there were sections that were amazing, other sections that had 1,000 children reaching for you. So it was, you know, it was a balance. We would come across awesome stuff and not so awesome stuff. But look at this. This is cool. This was a good trail. And then boom, we're out here. Where are we? Who knows?
Look at
Second
this
gear
thing.
during that. That's what I tell you, second gear, man.
You gotta go fast in those.
I gotta go fast.
I was third. Man, that was a fun one. I like that one.
I really enjoyed that a lot.
Those whoops, it was so hard to get speed. Adam, you've had that stick in there. It is literally, it hasn't been able to fall
That
out.
one?
It was there last time,
No
too.
way. Jesus.
Need a freaking sand tire, for God's sakes.
What?
I'm gonna get stuck in this crap.
Dude, that was gnarly. I saw this turn, I was like, whoa.
If you didn't figure it out, we don't ride sand that much. We don't even see sand. This is amazing.
Whoa.
Oh, I could eat it. No, I couldn't. We've got an update for you. Windows needs to restart. Screw you! No!
Ah! Sand.
Dude, there is something. The way the sand is coming off Adam's tire. Look at that. Boom! It's like a shotgun blast of sand. It's so cool. Look at it. It's just boom! Boom, boom! I love Roost.
Wow.
Into the bushes, yeah.
Someone asks the question, where the heck are we? We got the map. The map is going to show us where we are.
Yeah, so we're just doing loops around that trail, huh?
We're up here then.
No, on the other side.
No, I think
Adam, you better be sure because you led us on a 2.5-hour detour, remember?
That one wasn't it, Adam. You have officially lost navigation.
Man, I got like sand down my shirt. I feel like I'm at the beach.
Yeah, but there's no hot babes.
You don't know that. We haven't come across.
I I want to smell. But...
Yeah, Tom. What kind of question is
What
that?
kind of girls are these, though?
Hot.
Oh, they're Florida girls.
College girls.
Oh, yeah.
You go. You. Oh,
What in the heck is that noise?
Are you whistling? Are you whistling over there?
There was this hill, it just went up. I mean, it wasn't steep. It was just like this slope of just whoops for days. It was so awesome.
You know what? I'm going to talk about that.
You know
'cause
what?
I really had to pee. And you just had to go in there first for like 10
I asked
minutes.
if you had to go, and you're like,
I stood there. Yeah, I said yeah.
All
I
right,
didn't
well,
think you were
tell
gonna
it
take
on
a
the ride.
crap.
Let's.
What is Zach doing? Why is he taking so long? Like, what is going on? Why? Oh man, this is hard to ride.
Tom is telling a story as we ride along here. And then all of a sudden, his story gets interrupted. He starts screaming.
He then, oh my God, what was that? No!
Oh boy.
I thought he was joking, but there's actual panic in his face.
What's the matter?
Okay. Big old spider on that spider.
Holy! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I got him good.
He freaked out. It was huge.
That's what she said.
I think you'd have to take your clothes off.
I saw one of those in the swamp at Chrome and it was massive.
It might be on your bike. Oh, there it is. Just kidding.
I mean, you don't see this big black thing dangling in space.
Sometimes you do.
We carry on our trail ride out here at Ocala National Forest. Tom continues his story at the bathroom at the gas station.
So I get my coffee. So I'm sitting there with my coffee by the bathroom door, and it's just, I'm like, this is awkward. So I actually walk inside the women's restroom, and I'm like, I'm gonna use it. There's no one else in here. It won't be that bad. Well, I did that, and then I was like, I can't. This is too weird. So then I walked out. Didn't go to the bathroom. Walked out to the truck.
Why do we focus on these crap stories? It's legitimate crap stories. This channel, this Zach Tack 1 is just, oh, it's just stupid.
Whoa.
Hit these things! Hard, fast!
We're now demonstrating really good form, actually, now that we're really focusing on our riding. Adam is doing a very good job in demonstrating how you're supposed to hit the whoops. You really got to just stay in the air. You got to stay floating.
Okay, I can't steer.
You got to float over all of them. Now he's keeping his feet off the pegs, you notice. That is how you stay low to the ground. And it keeps your mass lower and you stick better.
Hey!
Hey,
How you doing?
let's go. I
Hey, how you doing there, big dog?
Oh, you know, it's a relaxing day, right?
Three
They
wide,
say-
get three wide,
Well,
three wide!
I go, what? No, I
Get
can't.
in here! Three wide, we can do it!
Oh,
Maybe
Oh,
not, maybe
right.
not.
right.
Jeez!
Oh, you know what they say? They say you're gonna weight the front wheel.
Imagine if someone came out here right now.
If somebody was out there and they saw us, they'd be like, dang, those guys are cool.
What are you doing?
I'm riding a bucket Bronco. I feel like this is what it's like. Through these whoops. Holy sugar.
Get a stick, you gotta grab a stick!
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. What is wrong? What is wrong with these people? Oh wait, I'm one of those people. Oh.
Scrub! 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 Scrub!
By the way, that's what a motocrosser actually does and actually looks like. Adam hops aboard Tom's bike. He's looking for the Kickstarter. Now he's pressing the kill switch.
Left side.
Oh.
If you can't start it, you can't ride it. Tom, why the heck would you let Adam ride your bike? Just kidding. He freaking gets moving, though. Adam just rides his 250F like crazy. And then his camera dies. So we're out here. We stop for a second, check the time. Adam hears something.
My camera making noise?
He asks if his camera is making noise. He takes his helmet off and he's looking around, listening. What is that noise?
You got a bee in you, Adam? Are you allergic to bees?
Oh my God. Oh my.
Oh my God.
What is that thing?
That's a dragonfly.
Let me have that thing.
You're
Let me
right.
have that.
I think.
Christ.
That's not a dragonfly. That is a monster.
That was like me with the spider.
It is stuck inside that thing perfectly.
Hit it when I was coming through there like really quick.
Yeah, you. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
It's like a dinosaur, man. That's not even normal.
So we have.
Injury.
That's a dinosaur.
It's alive.
Dude, that thing is big.
Oh, okay. We got to get it out.
That's what I was hearing. I thought it was like a camera focusing or something.
Can you get it out, Tom?
It attacked my finger. It didn't do anything.
That's not a normal dragonfly.
That thing is scary looking.
That thing's scary. I don't want to be out here anymore.
Oh my
I
God.
want to go home. I don't want to go to a hotel either because our hotel's going to be just as bad.
Dude, your hotel selection, the first one was good. The second one was tree stains and other excretion stains that we don't know or want to know what they are.
So we're out here on the trail. What do you guys want to say?
It's fun and tight and whoopy. Really good practice.
Adam gets suited back up, and you know, it's a lucky day. We could have lost Adam. He could have gotten swallowed up by that thing.
Definitely not in use.
We're counting our blessings. That was a close call. We were on a trail,
A cactus.
and then we saw a cactus. And that kind of threw us off, and we ended up in the middle of the woods, a little bit lost. 10 hours later, we come across a main trail, thank goodness. But, hold on. Wait a second. Which way should we go? We're going this way. I'm blaming Adam. I am putting the blame on the navigation guy once again for taking us this direction.
Right down the road, I think.
Yeah, we crossed that yellow.
Just look for 11.
Remember we crossed it?
That means that this is Route 11.
So we get things squared away. And it's kind of the evening time. It's about time to get on the road again.
That is a caravan.
Well, you
No
saw
way.
they look like they're the Taliban. They all wrapped up.
And that is it. That is it. I know it's sad. A Zack Attack 1 video, another one bites dust. You have just made it through another Zack Attack 1 adventure. Please come back for more. Subscribe and check out this video you see featured in front of you. Thank you and have a great day.